She my little mommy, she my senorita. She keep it hot and ready, little.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we at? We're in Costa Rica. Oh my god. Another trip. We stopped to get food. Yep. And we're gonna get some Costa Rican food.
¿De dónde me dices?
With steak. Oh, snap.
It's the same price.
This is Destiny.
Oh, hey.
Say what's up to the vlog. She said hey.
Hey.
I love the rest of them. Our travel agent.
Sí.
She putting in work over here.
Esto.
And Cindy doing nothing like always. Exactly. Love that. We'll show you the food when it comes out. All right. We're gonna get Costa Rican, authentic Costa Rican food.
He dropped something? That's tough. He dropped.
Ooh, don't get out the car.
What did he drop?
His phone?
Your phone?
Whose phone?
Are you sure you dropped it on the phone?
There's no way an iPhone would have fell out.
You get paper right now? How you gonna come across my face like that? That's mad disrespectful. Too close. We're at the Bali Hotel. Oh my god. Where they have hot springs and a spa. So it's gonna be really nice. We're trying to get massages. You know, relax a little bit.
So we not drinking in here? A swim up bar. Alright, go ahead.
What's up, Flossy Posse gang?
Yeah.
You know, we out here in Costa Rica. We having the time of our lives right now. We're out in Costa Rica. Got the gang with me. Got Arenal right to my left. Well, to your left, I should say. Got Imani to your right. Yeah, we're just having a good time, enjoying life, you know. About to get crazy at these bars, you know, swim a little bit. That's how it is. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Having fun, Cindy? Here. Oh, they having fun over there. They went on the water slide, but I missed all of them coming down just about. Oops.
Ridiculous.
Oh my god, I banged my head with that. I was like, boom, boom, boom.
Oh my god.
Stupid.
That was worse than the volcano bay when the one that the floor drops. That was worse than that shit.
Thing. It's wild. You heard it from them first. How did you like it?
It wasn't too bad. This one was slower.
Oh wait, say that again loud.
I said it wasn't too bad. That one was slower. And it was a little dark in there. So I lost where I was for a second.
It's too hot.
this water is hot and it's messing with my body temperature.
So we decided to walk around and we ended up at the store. We bought these ices that are raspberry lemon flavored.
Alaska.
These were 18 cents. So 18 cents. It's
This
a
ice
steal. Why is yours green? Oh. Oh, there's two colors.
Oh my god, wait.
Oh, that's the lemon part. Yeah. This is the lime part. Or the raspberry. Oh, this is refreshing. Coin, I can buy 5 more. Of these? With that 1 coin.
That's a
We're balling out here, as you can tell. Nobody told me nothing. I got money. We've been walking for around like 15 minutes, and this dog has been following us the whole time. We lost him, and then he came back and found us. Taking him back home. What are we gonna name him?
Sparky!
No, I already had a dog named Sparky. His name could be
Oreo.
Moonlight.
Moonlight.
Moonlight. Moon.
Mooney.
That's it.
Let's go, Mooney.
He already knows his name.
Oh my god.
There goes our dog Mooney.
Mooney.
Alright, I don't know where our dog went, guys. But
Oh my god, look at that mountain.
oh, he right there. Oh my god. So, what's up, guys? So we're going on a 6-hour tour of this volcano area that can erupt at any
That volcano
second.
back there. Jamal, say what's up.
What's up with it?
So, you know, we're hiking today. I have on water shoes, which is probably not the best hiking shoes. So my feet are probably gonna hurt, like, really bad. But you know, I'ma cry. I'm sorry. And y'all are gonna think it's raining, but it's just gonna be me crying.
In any moment. So it's very important for you, my friend, to keep your cameras in your hand. The volcano erupt. Don't forget selfies and run.
Let's start running.
He said the volcano could erupt at any time.
You're
Risking our lives.
just put a blog.
How do we feel about this hike? First
You know,
of all, we've been walking for 30 seconds. And I'm tired. I wanna go home.
Feel about the hike?
Bitch, that's too close. I'm
guys
too
can't
ugly for
curse
it.
on the-
Hey, you can't curse on the vlog, bro.
Jamal, how do you feel?
I honestly feel like this is
We just saw a snake.
it's a nice educational experience. Becoming one with run it back. Put that on the becoming one with wilderness, you know. It's dope. A nice humbling.
I just want to see everyone's before
I hate
thoughts.
it.
We got snakes all over, bro.
It's cool, bro. I'm not afraid of snakes.
You got it.
But the
Destiny, how
bugs
do
I
you
can do
feel?
without.
No snakes for me.
How do you guys? We just started the hike, so how do you feel? Already?
Y'all didn't buy snacks?
No, because they were rushing forever.
Yo, we're in the store for how long?
Brandon, how do you feel about the hike?
God.
Great. I'm excited.
Oh, he's so serious.
Can't wait.
Can't wait.
You two look miserable, but okay.
Can you tell I'm excited?
Just like
All right, we'll check back in at the end of this.
a little music.
We here.
We're gonna do a slow mo.
I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
Oh, how I look. So Katisse just, where's the speaker on this? Katisse just did a all natural clay face mask. She got a little massage. We're at the hot springs. I don't know what hot springs this is, but here we go. How you feel about it, Katisse?
Good.
She's like, good. Where's the ride? Destiny? Let's see you. Get Destiny. And the ride.
Oh, okay.
And the ride. How did you like it?
It's so refreshing. I got a new skin.
She got a new
Skin color and everything.
Okay, 10 out of 10 would recommend.
She my little mommy, she my senorita. She keep it hot and ready, little.